Writing equations of lines given 2 points. Step 1 is to find the slope of the 2 points, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. For these 2 points, we have 6 minus -2 over 5 minus 3, which gives us 8 over 2, which means our slope is 4. Step 2 is to pick either one of the points and use that xy. So I'm going to pick 3 as my x and -2 as my y, and then 4 is my slope. So I have -2 equals m times x plus b. So I'm solving for b. -2 equals 12 plus b. So I'm subtracting 12, which is going to make b equal -14. Now I'm going to plug it in to y equals mx plus b, and I get y equals 4x minus 14. That is your answer.